Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what are the important books. Okay, many students ask me, so what are the book? Enna book la refer pannu exam. Okay. Today we are going to discuss. Okay, what are the book important for special for organic, for physical, for inorganic. Okay, which book we have to refer for IIT Jam? Not only IIT Jam. If you go for any MSc entrance, for example, CU set, Common Entrance University for Central University exam, and Delhi University or Pondicherry University for the all the entrance exam. Okay, not only IIT Jam, for all the entrance exam, this is basic books. Okay, first you see the organic chemistry. What are the reference book? Okay, first you see the lessons. What are the important lessons in the IIT Jam syllabus? Okay, first one general organic chemistry, that is called GOC lesson, and second one is stereochemistry, and third is reaction mechanism and reactive intermediate and reagent and heterocycle and pericyclic and organic spectra, and final one the qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, if we study for GOC lesson, the GOC is a general organic chemistry. It's a basic for all the organic chemistry. Okay, if you strong in GOC lesson, okay, if you're strong in GOC lesson, okay, everything will be easy. Okay, everything will be easy. Okay, the GOC is a basic lesson for organic. Okay, which book you have to refer? First, Bruce. Okay, the Bruce book refer. Then for GOC, not only single book. Okay, if you have a need JE book and need JE organic JE and need book, okay, you have to refer the JE and need book for GOC lesson. There is no special book for GOC, but this if you strong in GOC, okay, the GOC nalla படிச்சிருந்தனா, okay, ஒன்னு ஆர்கான் ரொம்ப ஈஸி. ஜிஓசி படிக்கிறதுக்கு தனியான புக் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. என்ன புக் இருக்குன்னா, நீ ப்ரூஸ் புக் வந்து குட் புக் ஃபார் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் ஃபார் ஜிஓசி அண்ட் சிமிலர் டைம் வாட் நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம், சேம் டைம் என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஜேஇ புக்கையும் நீட் புக்கையும் என்ன பண்ணலாம் ரெஃபர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா, இது வந்து ஜெனரல் ஆர்கானிக் கெமிஸ்ட்ரிக்கு. இந்த ஸ்டீரியோ கெமிஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்தோம்னா, இது இந்தியா புக், த ஃபேமஸ் புக் தே கால் பிஎஸ் கல்சி. இட்ஸ் வெரி குட் புக் ஃபார் ரெஃபர் த பிகினர் ஆல்சோ. If you are beginner in stereochemistry, kindly refer P.S. Kelsey. It's a good book for what? The stereochemistry. Okay. Then reaction mechanism. Okay, Peter Skies is a very good book for elimination reaction and addition reaction and the Cope elimination reaction. It's a very good book for what? The reaction mechanism. At the same time, the P.S. Kelsey also what? Very important book for what? Reaction mechanism. The P.S. Kelsey published book for what? Reaction mechanism is stereochemistry. That book is very good for what? Reaction mechanism. Next, reactive intermediate. For reactive intermediate also you refer what? Bruce book. The Bruce is very good book. Okay. What are reactive intermediate? Carbocation, carboanion, free radical. Okay. Preparation of carbocation. What is the benzene free radical? That radical mechanism. The Bruce. Okay. The very important book. Next, reagent. That is a mark scoring lesson in JAM exam. You have to refer Glyden book. It's a very advanced book. Okay. But you can try to study. You can try to read the Glyden book. Okay. If you finish the Glyden book, then go for Carothas. The Carothas is advanced book. Okay. It's advanced book. If you finish the Glyden book, then go for Carothas. Okay. Then heterocycle and pericycle reaction. Okay. The Glyden is enough. Okay. In Glyden lesson, the 2 lesson for heterocyclic and 2 lesson for pericycle reaction. Okay. For IIT JAM or MSc entrance exam, okay, the pericycle not important. But upcoming exam, last 2 years, 2020 and 2021, the pericycle question can ask. Okay, kindly refer pericycle reactions. Okay, in the Glyden book. Then organic spectroscopy, UV spectroscopy, and NMR, number of signal to find out the organic molecule. That book you have, which book refer? Pavia's good book, or William Kemp also good book. Okay, the Pavia's very good book for what? Organic spectra. Then qualitative and quantitative analysis. That is called salt analysis. Which book is good? Clark. Okay. Clark book is very important book. Okay, this information about organic chemistry. Okay, please, if you are very much strong in GOC lesson and GOC and stereochemistry, you stronger irundana, organic is very easy. Okay, it's like a game. Next we go for this is a books. Listen, this is a Bruce book. Okay, it's a Bruce book. This stereochemistry and confirmation and mechanism. This P.S. Kelsey book. Okay, next reaction mechanism, reagents. This is very important. This advanced book, but it's advanced book. Try to read. Okay. Then I told this one, right? P.S. Kelsey. The reaction mechanism with stereochemistry. That book is very important. Then for Peter Skies, for reaction mechanism alone. Then organic spectroscopy and William Kemp. This is Pavia book. This Pavia and William Kemp also refer. Okay. This is a Bible of organic chemistry. Which book? Glyden. You call the Bible of organic chemistry. Glyden. Okay. For JAM exam, okay, many questions they directly from what? Glyden book. Okay, it's very important book. Next, qualitative clerk book. Okay, qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, these are very important book for what? Organic chemistry. Then go for inorganic. For inorganic, okay, simple is only the 4 lessons mark scoring. One is chemical bonding with periodicity, then coordination and D block, F block, organometallic, bioorganic. For IIT JAM, please understand, for IIT JAM, the analytical chemistry is very, very important. Okay, every year the maximum, okay, one or two to three questions will ask in analytical chemistry. Okay, kindly be aware in analytical chemistry. Okay, okay. For chemical bonding, which book you have to refer? Similarly, okay, the GOC, there is no special book, right? We have to read from IIT JEE and NEET book. Similarly, the chemical bonding has the same category. Okay, it's a basic inorganic chemistry. For chemical bonding, I suggest, okay, the Ajay Kumar sir published the Introduction of Inorganic Chemistry. That book is very good book. And Miss Lentar for good book for hybridization and VSPA theory. Okay, Housecroft also. Okay, there will be some limitations given for VSPA theory. Okay, they call stereochemistry inactive lone pair. That type of limitation is given Housecroft book. Okay, that book also refer for what? VSPR theory. The main group elements I refer what? I always suggest what? The JD Lee. Please note the JD Lee, not our BSc book. JD Lee with JD Lee with JE Advanced book. Okay, the JD Lee published what? The JE Advanced for the inorganic chemistry. That book is very good book for what? There are for what? In our main group elements. For coordination, okay. Organic எப்படி வந்து கிளைடன் வந்து பைபிளோ அதே மாதிரி கோனேஷ் எது பைபிள் அஜய் குமார் for JAM student. Okay, if you are studying Ajay Kumar book page to page, surely you do not miss any question from the IIT JAM exam or any MSc entrance exam. All the question, okay, directly from what? Ajay Kumar book. Okay, if you finish Ajay Kumar, then go for Yugi. Okay, Yugi is more advanced book. Okay, Yugi is more advanced book for BSc student. For MSc and if you are preparing the CSR gate and CSR net exam and gate exam, that Yugi is best book. Okay, for BSc students, the Indian author book Ajay Kumar is very, very best book. Okay, for organometallic, same Ajay Kumar is very best book. If you finish in Ajay Kumar, the kindly read Housecroft. It's a very excellent book. Okay, for inorganic chemistry. Okay, very, very excellent book. If you go to MSc, okay, further we clear IIT JAM. If you go to IIT or any good universities in MIT, a good university in MSc, at that time you have to refer Housecroft book for inorganic chemistry by Housecroft. Very excellent book. Then Yugi also very advanced book. Okay, the inorganic Yugi is enough. That but another கொஞ்சம் advanced இருக்கும். Okay, you can understand. Okay, simply without basic you can understand Yugi book. Okay, that's why I suggest what? Ajay Kumar book. DNF log you have to read what? Housecroft, because DF log only basic only, right? You able to read what? You able to read Housecroft for what? DNF log element. For bioorganic, same Ajay Kumar book is very important. And if Ajay Kumar is finished, kindly read Yugi book. Okay, then analytical chemistry, one of the best book. What is one of the best book? Stugan West is one of the best book. Okay, this is inorganic book. Okay, for reference book for what? IIT JEE and other MSc entrance. Okay, now see the books. This is the books. Okay, this is a very important book. Okay, if you strong in chemical bonding or periodicity, okay, the basic inorganic chemistry by Ajay Kumar sir, that's a very excellent book. That is inorganic chemistry, Missile and Tar. This is also very excellent book for studying what VSPR theory. Okay, then coordination chemistry, isomerism, the very important book. This is a bifold of inorganic chemistry. This is inorganic chemistry coordination, Ajay Kumar book. It's a very excellent book. Okay, I study many times. This is a very excellent book for what? The entrance exam preparation. Then same Ajay Kumar sir published what? For organometallic and bioorganic. Okay, this book enough for IIT JAM and other MSc entrance exam. Then Yugi, the advanced book. Okay, if you try to read this book, okay, this is good. It's an excellent book. Okay, if you possible, if you have time, kindly read this book. And then Housecroft, this excellent book. Okay, in the book you have to read what? VSPR theory. Read VSPR theory. In VSPR theory, okay, there will be limitation given in the book. Limitation, VSPR theory limitation. Okay, based on this topic, the question will be asked in future. Okay, then Stugan West book for what? Analytical chemistry. Okay, okay, in the book of the inorganic chemistry, very important. Okay, Ajay Kumar book for Missile and Tar, for Ajay Kumar by coordination chemistry and organometallic and bioorganic and inorganic chemistry by Yugi and Housecroft and Stugan West. This is the best book for these are what? The best book for preparation for inorganic chemistry. Then go for physical. Okay, the physical is mark scoring lesson. So deciding lessons in the IIT JAM exam, because maximum NAT question, okay, maximum problem oriented question, based on only what? Physical chemistry. Okay, first, what are the chapter there? Atomic structure. Okay, molecular spectroscopy. What is molecular spectroscopy? The quantum mechanism with spectroscopy. Then theory of gases and chemical thermodynamics and equilibria. 3 chemical or ionic and phase equilibria. Then electrochemistry and chemical kinetics and solid state and surface chemistry and basic concept of chemistry. Okay, basic mathematical concept. For basic mathematical concept, the integration, differential, matrix. Okay, that type of question will ask. Okay, first you see first one. For atomic structure, for quantum mechanism and physical spectroscopy, Raman, okay, vibrational, rotational, that case, one of the best book what? Puri and Sharma for BSc level. Okay, Puri and Sharma, okay, listen, general physical level, two book da, okay, one the Indian author book, best book, Puri and Sharma, second one the Peter Atkins, foreign author book. And the two book refer panave, you can, okay, easily solve what? All the IIT JAM questions, all the MSc entrance questions, you can solve the question, okay. For best book for atomic structure and a quantum mechanism, the spectroscope, which book is best? The Puri and Sharma's book is best one. Then theory of gas, the Peter Atkins very good book. Okay. Then chemical thermodynamics, KL Kapoor. Okay. For KL Kapoor, maximum, okay, the 7 volumes there. 7 volume. Okay. In future, okay, if able to study physical chemistry, because in future, okay, your major subject physical chemistry mean try to study KL Kapoor book, all the volume. The best book forever I see, okay, for physical chemistry is KL Kapoor. The 7 volume consists of all the lesson, spectroscopy, quantum mechanism, group theory, okay, electrochemistry, all the topics covered by what? KL Kapoor book. But in the exam point of view, okay, we cannot read all the KL Kapoor book, right? That's why I suggest what? Puri Sharma's best book for exam point of view. Okay, the KL Kapoor also best book. Okay, if you finish in KL Kapoor book, book back the book back questions very standard as well as very good questions. Okay, you try to solve all the book back question of KL Kapoor. Okay, okay. Next, equilibrium. What is equilibrium? The 3 equilibrium, right? The chemical, ionic, phase equilibrium. That equilibrium you refer what? Puri Sharma is best, one of the best book for ionic equilibrium as well as phase and chemical equilibrium. Okay. Then electrochemistry, you refer Puri Sharma. Okay. The Gladstone is a very good book, but it's more advanced. Okay. For JAM exam, for BSc candidate students, kindly refer Puri Sharma. That's one of the best book. This chemical kinetics, Leider is one of the best book forever for BSc or MSc students. So chemical kinetics, only Leider book is best book. And solid state surface chemistry, the Puri Sharma, again Puri Sharma Atkins. Okay. If you are study for physical chemistry, kindly always what? Read Puri Sharma Atkins. Okay. Do the exercise questions in Puri Sharma Atkins regularly. Okay. You get good idea to solve all the physical questions. And mathematical concept, Agarwal. Okay. Dr. Agarwal book, mathematical book. Okay. It's a best book for what? The mathematics. Okay. Now see the books. This is a Puri Sharma book. I think every college library, okay, this book is have. Kindly take second year, third year படிக்கிறீங்களோ இல்ல யாரெல்லாம் second year போறீங்களோ பண்ணீங்க, take this book from your college library, start to read what Puri Sharma book. Okay, kindly solve all the book exercise for all the lesson. This is advanced book, Atkins, Peter Atkins. Then chemical kinetics by Leider is very important book. Then KL Kapoor, this is volume 2, right? This volume 2 consists of what? Thermodynamics and chemical equilibrium. This is what? The mathematical formula for what? Mathematical subject. Integration, differential, okay, and matrix. That part which book's better? The Agarwal is better. Okay. This is a Banwell book. Okay. If you are any student, very much interested in spectroscopy in future, they kindly refer the Banwell book. It's one of the best book for what? The physical spectroscopy. Okay. இவ்வளவுதான் books. Okay, வா. நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா you start to what? Start to read the book. Because பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்னு வந்து இன்னொரு மினிமம் யாரெல்லாம் தேர்ட் இயர் போறீங்களோ மினிமம் என்ன இருக்கு, யாரெல்லாம் தேர்ட் இயர் ஐ மீன் செகண்ட் இயர்ல இருந்து தேர்ட் இயர் போற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்க்கு மினிமம் என்ன இருக்கு, ஒரு 6 month to 8 month டைம் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, நீ இப்ப படிக்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண அப்படின்னா sure you can clear JAM exam. Okay, kindly start to read the books and solve the problems. Any doubt you can ask in comment section. Okay, happy learning. See you next video with this question. Okay, happy learning.